Hi everyone, welcome back to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this super cute mini flower basket together. Wrap a chenille stem around a wooden stick or an empty pen refill. Wrap it all the way to the end. Slide it off and gently stretch it. Make 5 pieces in total. Next, roll one into a spiral to form the basket base. Secure it with hot glue. Roll another spiral, using the remaining twisted stems. Trim off the excess and shape the base so it's nice and even. It should look like this. Cut 2 short chenille stems the same length as the basket base. Glue them onto the base. Measure one of the twisted pieces to fit around the basket base, then trim off the excess. Join the ends together, then glue it around the basket base. Continue attaching the remaining pieces. And the basket is finished. Now let's make the flowers. Lightly singe the tips of the petals. Gently bend the petals upward. Make another flower layer, then glue them together. Stagger the petals for a fuller look. Roll a yellow chenille stem like this to make the flower center. Glue it to the flower. It should look like this. Use a green chenille stem to make the stem and calyx. Glue everything together to complete the flower. Make 2 more flowers in your favorite colors. Use 2 chenille stems and roll them like this to make flower buds. They should look like this. Make 2 buds in total. Now use 1 chenille stem to make the leaves. Make 2 leaves. Gently flatten them with a clip. Trim the leaf tips for a cleaner finish. Now they're finished. Let's arrange the flowers in the basket. For extra durability, you can secure everything with a little hot glue. Add a cute little bow for the finishing touch. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.